Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on this lettering, and we contoured it and changed the shape of this S, and I don't like it. He might like it, but so I'm just going to show you how you could fix this. So we're going to take away the fill from both these lines. And the normal contour, this was a circle. So what you can do, and that's why I decided to make the video, you can take the shape tool, shift select this node, and then select both those nodes and right click and break apart. Now we can take away this line, or just move it out of the way, and this line and move it out of the way. There's actually another node there we don't need. Now we can take this node and just have it snap to that node. We're already better off. We just need to join these nodes. We can start deleting a couple of nodes and see what happens. And this one's at a funny angle, so we need to kind of just get it in that same plane as this other one and click on it. Let's get rid of that node and see what happens. Now we can take our handle and move this out of the way, move that back up, move this down, maybe even take away this node, see what it looks like, bring that node down. I've got an extra set of lines there I don't understand, but it's working. We're just using this for an outline. And you can change all this all completely up. I broke them apart. I'm gonna see what's going on here. I think it's just because this one is at such an angle. No, there's another little line behind there. So just bring that and kind of snap to it. I don't like that, but we can make it curved around. Now, if you have if you have 17 above, you have the smoothing tool. We'll make it like a 1/4 inch big. Wow, this font is really little, 0.1. And we can just grab that and kind of smooth it out, just ever so much. Now we've got a broken node here, and we need to do one of two things. We can grab the shape tool back, select both those nodes, go up to Windows, Dockers, join curves, and join those two nodes. And then let's use the smoothing tool. I didn't realize that font was so little. But we've separated those. So now, when we use our Smart Fill tool to fill in the cow, that S looks more like an S to me than it did before. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.